Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at how to add a cattle IBR test. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then on farm and events, you will see this brings up my grid of current animals on farm. If I then choose an animal, choose testing and then IBR test, this will then bring up the screen for me to then populate the information. You need to input the date of the test and then choose which type of test from the drop down menu. You can also give the test a reference. In this example we'll choose test 1. We can then click next, and as you can see you're now taken to a mini grid with the animal in. If you wish to add extra animals into here, you can do this by selecting the green plus sign, and then you can search for any animals you wish to add. You can also add animals by using the CSV or EID reader buttons, which are highlighted here. To input the score, you simply choose from the drop down menu whichever outcome was applicable. You can also edit the settings for this feature by choosing the cog down here in the bottom left hand corner. You can choose a default test type by using this drop down menu here, and as you'll see you can tick this box if you wish to remove the notes page, or keep it ticked if you would like to keep the pages. We then click OK. We can then click next, and this will take us to the final screen where when we click finish, this information will then be committed to the records. If you need to edit or undo an IBR test, go to the past events tab and then to IBR test. This will bring up a list of your previous IBR tests. Choose the event you wish to edit or undo, right click, and as you can see you can use the view edit where you can edit the information. If you wish to undo the event completely, you can do this by right clicking, choosing management and then delete IBR test. You then click yes, close, and as you can see the information has now been removed from the program. Hopefully some of the things you've watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.